So, a formal welcome to you all once again. A very, very good morning. And let this Sunday morning, wherein this is the last day of lockdown 3.0, we all should pray together that lockdown 4.0 brings in some good news for us. Let us be little liberal but conscious and alert. We should keep ourselves safe also, and in the meanwhile, we should also see that we are following the government directives because they are doing lots for us. They are, they have done so much of analysis that it is very, very important that we should follow the government directives, and we should, in the meanwhile, move out with a lot of precautions if in case it is required. As far as the children are concerned, I'll definitely advise and I'll appeal you all to do not let them move out for any kind of movement, because staying at home, going in for some indoor activities and doing some and spending some quality time, that is what I'll expect and request you all. So now I present a presentation before you, and with the help of the presentation I'll take you on the journey. एक छोटा सा presentation हमने तैयार किया है और आप सबके लिए, जिससे कि जो हम आप तक जो points पहुंचाना चाहते हैं उसको खूबसूरती से आपके सामने रख पाएं, और साथ साथ ये भी एक्सपेक्ट करें कि आप उसको डेफिनेटली वो जो छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स हम लोग ने लिए हैं इन 1.5 महीने के अंदर, 2 महीने के अंदर, उनको आप अप्रिशिएट भी करें और उसको प्रॉपर जो भी मेहनत उसके पीछे की गई है आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए, उसको अच्छे से उस पर वर्क भी कर पाए. So now I present, and this is my presentation that goes. I hope you are all able to see the picture of the photograph. Of course, to start with anything, we should seek the blessings from Almighty above, Sri Hanumanji and Ma Saraswati. With the blessings from the heavens above, we are able to do what we aim at. Am I audible, and is my screen available to all of you? A small yes will help you. All right.
Yes,
Okay. Thank you so much. All right. I got it. And please mute your audios. Mute your audios. Thank you so much. Mute your audios, but keep your videos on, and keep an eye on this presentation. Yes, I'll request all of you to pin this presentation. This will help you to keep an eye on the presentation all the time. So again, with the blessings of Guruji and the heavens above, I start with the presentation, and this is how it goes. Yes, we at Red Rose Senior Secondary School try to bring out the best of our abilities to you. And yes, this we are able to do only with the inspiration of our founder president, Shashi Ma, with whose blessings we are able to, accomplish our goals. And she is the one who actually keep blessing us all through in all our endeavors. Our own founder, sir, Sri R.C. Mishra ji is definitely our guiding light, for he has always been emphasizing on this fact that education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. And right from the day the lockdown started, we started doing our homework so that we adhere to the planner, we bring out the classes to you well on time, and no excuses were made from our end in that case. It was only because of the guiding light of our MD, sir. Definitely, I will put my sincere gratitude to our managing director, sir, and our chairperson, ma'am, sir and ma'am Mishra, who has been always standing tall and strong in supporting us. And wherever we felt fixed, wherever we felt down, they were the one to motivate us. Yes, we can. And that was the, a motivating factor that helped us to sail through our journey. So welcome all of you. Welcome dear parents for this presentation. And today I, Dipali Makhija, the principal at Red Rose Senior Secondary School, with the blessings of the Almighty and our managing director and our whole management, bring this presentation to you. when it comes to the days when we started, when we had to wind up the session 2019-20 and start with 2020-21, the whole world was in lockdown. Even our India suffered, and yes, Lucknow was no exception to it. We could see barren roads all through. There was a lot of, lot of trauma all over. There was a lot of pessimism that was going through the air. But when all these things were on, when there were certain, points on the floor, we at Red Rose Senior Secondary School, the management, the staff, the teachers were working for you so that we can plan and give you the best things on time. But these things were crushed, and yes, you should remember the schools were not closed. They aren't yet closed. Only the buildings are closed. The teachers and staff are working harder than ever. बहुत 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 ज्यादा मेहनत हो रही है आप तक ये सब कुछ पहुंचाने के लिए और डेफिनेटली हमने ये समय पे महसूस किया that it is time to upgrade. It is not in there's no time to wait for good things to happen. We have to make the good things happen to us, and yes, we upgraded well on time. हमने समय पे खुद को upgrade किया. That was the best part at Red Rose Senior Secondary School. The requirement was for online education to impart to the children. The online school was required. It was not just mere school, rather online school was required, and we started out with whole thing. The teachers, they were not mere teachers now. They were to be online teachers. And definitely ये चीज आप भी observe कर रहे होंगे. हमारे teachers अब online teachers, professionals की तरह, though they were never trained about it, they are all trained in their field. They are all B.Ed qualified. They are all, with a lot of qualifications added to their academic folder. But when it comes to online teaching, they were not that strong, so they upgraded. So we started out with Zoom from April 1. That was the first day of our academic session 2021. And it was going very smoothly, very nicely, and children joined and they supported. Definitely, I should add on. बच्चों का भी बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट कोऑपरेशन था इंस्टिंक्ट था बच्चों में भी ज़ील था yes we have to study and teachers that made my teachers task very easy but teachers का काम इससे बहुत आसान हो गया जब बच्चों का कोऑपरेशन मिला but unfortunately after some time it was labeled that Zoom is not a safe platform and since that message came directly from the Ministry of this HRD we had to upgrade ourselves. We had to, give a mind-boggling session, and we took around 1 week when we started out with video tutorials. ये video tutorials आपको एक हफ्ते में teachers ने बना के भेजे ताकि जो gap हमारी second planning में हो रहा था, वो planning बिल्कुल good morning everyone. Please keep your videos on, but audio is muted and continue. I'll continue. So these video tutorials that were there, वो आप तक पहुंचाए गए और PDFs
मैम गुड मॉर्निंग
PDFs भेजी गई और इसके अलावा बहुत ज़्यादा information और worksheets आप तक पहुंचाई गई इस एक हफ्ता so that the whole process moves on. उसमें कहीं रोक ना पड़े. There was no lag in between the classes. So उस video tutorials के बाद जल्दी ही within a week's time we upgraded ourselves to much safer platform that was Google Meet. हम Google Meet में आए और आज Google Meet is of course considered as one of the most safe platform that is the safest और इसमें आज भी हमारे teachers और हमारे बच्चे classes ले रहे हैं and it is going very very smoothly. And ये सब कुछ करने में हर टीचर के पास मेरे पास management के पास दो रास्ते थे. One was the comfort zone, the other was the challenge. And always that comfort zone रास्ता is always much easier and lucrative. वो आपको ज़्यादा अपनी तरफ attract करता है. But all my teachers took that challenge and moved towards that way because they had that instinct कि हमें बच्चों को पढ़ाना है, हमें प्लानर पे adhere करना है. Education should not stop. भले ही बाहर कुछ प्रॉब्लम इस समय क्राइसिस चल रहा है but we should ensure that challenge is taken and the classes are taken. और इन challenges में बहुत सारे teachers ने बहुत कुछ सफर भी किया, बहुत सारे acceptance. I'll quote a few examples. जैसे एक छोटी सी आपको वाकया बताना चाहूंगी, हमारे ऐसे 2 टीचर्स थे जो अपने होम टाउन गए, एंड सिंस दैट बीइंग अ स्मॉल होम टाउन दे कुड नॉट गेट द नेटवर्क फैसिलिटी देयर, वहाँ इंटरनेट उतना sharp नहीं आता था. You can understand still in India and in the vicinity of Lucknow also we have few small towns where the internet is not that good. तो उस केस में इवन क्योंकि टीचर में वो जज्बा था ना, वो इंस्टिंक्ट था कि मुझे पढ़ाना है, तो दैट टीचर हैड टू ड्राइव एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग फॉर हाफ अ किलोमीटर. उन्होंने एक ऐसा स्पॉट, एक ऐसा जगह उन्होंने खोजी जहाँ पे इंटरनेट अच्छा आता था, ताकि बच्चों को अनडिस्टर्ब पढ़ाई पहुंचे. सो दैट वाज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टेप फ्रॉम द टीचर एंड, वो चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट किया. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे टीचर्स के पास ये रजिस्टर्स, नोटबुक्स, चार्ट्स को उन्होंने बिलबोर्ड्स और बोर्ड्स की तरह यूज किया. हमारे एक टीचर के घर में माइका रखी थी. आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. So that माइका ही टुक, क्योंकि कारपेंट्री का कुछ वर्क हुआ होगा, उन्होंने माइका को पेस्ट किया अपने एक वॉल पे और माइका पे मार्कर के थ्रू पढ़ाना शुरू कर दिया. So you know teachers discovered so many options in between ताकि वो बेस्ट तरीके से वो एजुकेशन इम्पार्ट कर पाए. तो आप ये भी देखिए कि टीचर्स ने इसके बीच में कितनी मेहनत की. And all my teachers are not very young. Many of the teachers are 50 plus years of age. You know, they were not at all technical. मतलब वो 50 plus years of age वो एक उम्र होती है जब मोबाइल पे भी बहुत ज्यादा खोजबीन और डिस्कवरी करने से बंदा थोड़ा सा हेजिटेट होता है. In that case also all my teachers upgraded. उन्होंने कहा whatever पढ़ाना है तो पढ़ाना है. So this is how my teachers took the challenge and moved through even during these odd times. There were a lot of challenges in getting you the information. कई बार टीचर्स को 24/7 भी वर्क करना पड़ा इन दिनों. पेरेंट्स की फोन कॉल्स रात को 11 बजे भी रिसीव किया, मॉर्निंग में 5:30 भी रिसीव किया. उनकी ऑलमोस्ट सभी क्वेरीज को मुझे लगता है बहुत थैंकफुली और बहुत satisfactorily the coordinators also solved. So these challenges were accomplished and they were worked upon because we see challenges as opportunities. Opportunities to learn more, opportunities to unleash our talent, opportunities to upgrade ourselves, opportunities to, you know, to explore. And that is how my teachers have come up. And during these many days, we had lot of notable achievements also that has helped us to upgrade ourselves. Yes, we are online for you, only for you. Otherwise, my teachers would have relaxed. They would have been having happy time because schools buildings are closed. But then we went online just for your purpose. Yeah, during these days, the notable achievement, the very first achievement that we had was results were announced. And this time it was not on papers. There was no PTM, no physical entry of the teachers and the parents in the school building. Rather, it was announced online. Everything went online and the results were also announced. We have started out with online admissions. That is another very much notable achievement that we have. And these online admissions, we have a portal, we upgraded, we invested, developers, you know, also cooperated and well on time. We have many online admissions. The forms are being bought, the admissions are being sealed. So all that was possible. And now our school fee can be paid online on a much secure payment gateway. We had upgraded our payment gateway also, and very soon you'll be getting much better news in this. Of course, we are still in the pipeline of upgrading ourselves. अभी और भी बहुत ज़्यादा सहूलियतें और भी बहुत ज़्यादा काफ़ी चीज़ें आपको नहीं पता चलेंगी इस दौरान जो हम लोग upgrade करेंगे. Then online assessment, that was a big thing that has happened. Online examination or the assessment, that is UT1, was conducted. That was MCQ based, and I believe and I trust all my children and my parents कि उन्होंने sincerely assessment appear किया होगा. And online assessment result was also declared. जो छोटी कमियां, छोटे प्रॉब्लम अगर कुछ पेरेंट्स ने फेस किया, that has been worked. और अभी भी कुछ क्वेरीज अगर अनसॉल्व रह गई हैं तो अभी भी हम लोग उस पे और ज्यादा वर्क कर रहे हैं. So that was another big achievement that we had. And apart from taking regular classes, we had online classes for music and yoga also. म्यूजिक की क्लासेस भी चली, योगा की क्लासेस. आज मॉर्निंग में भी we had classes for the boys and the girls separately in the morning, because morning hours are much more comfortable, and that is the time where meditation and yoga should have happened. So उस इम्पोर्टेंस को समझते हुए हम योगा क्लासेस भी आप तक लेके आ रहे हैं, और ये सब चीजें समर कैंप में लगा दी गई हैं. वी हैव म्यूजिक, वी हैव योगा, वी हैव आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट, वी हैव a lot many other things also, like art and craft, dance, and mental maths. We have spoken English classes also. Everything is running online. Yesterday was our day one. अभी पहला दिन हमारा कल निकला है, और Monday is going to be next day, the very second day, and definitely each day we have more people around. And the best part is this summer camp, online summer camp, is being brought to you entirely free of cost. और इस free summer online camp के अलावा we will be providing you with e-certificate. That is another good thing. You can be there and utilize कर सकते हो. आप इस e-certificate को print out भी definitely बाद में निकाल सकते हैं, and you can post it on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, and this will be your achievement also for the children, I'm telling, during this lockdown period, that you have earned an e-certificate for yourself. और इन सब चीजों तक आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए, इन सब चीजों को आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए, we have online teacher training also. It was not simple. It was not everyone's cup of tea. It was to be brought to the children, and for that the teachers were trained online. And I should appreciate the families of the teachers also here, because even the children of the teachers, the spouse, and at times, other family members of the teachers were also involved in upgrading each other. So that was really very good and appreciable. And nevertheless, except for these many things, we had celebrations like never before. We had online celebrations also. So many things have happened during these many days. Like we had Labor Day, we had Mother's Day, we had Red Cross Day, we had sports also. We have many other things where we could express our feelings and our wishes, and those online celebrations count for. Yes, this was Earth Day that was celebrated. I'm bringing few pictures to you. These pictures are posted on Facebook also, and our school website also. The Earth Day was celebrated. The teachers and the students were all there. Then the National Book Reading Day, that was also celebrated, and that, of course, that has been conveyed to the parents and to the children also, how you can develop reading habit. And there were parents also who participated in our few little drives with spread fact, not fear, practice respect, work together, and safety first. Then we will together win. Again, was a small collage that was made. Prevention is better than cure. So those parents' participation is also there. We also saluted our doctor parents and doctor grandparents who had put in their words to the society and during the lockdown period, who are putting so much of efforts and patiently treating the patients. So those medical representatives, doctors, and paramedics, all the parents were saluted and appreciated. This was the Mother's Day picture. The child with the mother, where they have had a very cozy time together, and yes, with the notion fir muskurayega India. So with these many things, we had a lot of celebrations. It was, yes, there were few days of tension and stress, how to bring in classes to you at your doorstep. In the same while, we were also celebrating those many days. Another achievement that we had was online parents teacher meeting that was held on Friday. On 15th, it was beautifully managed. The parents also cooperated. Few of the queries of the parents were also solved. Most of the parents were into that their child joined late. How can they get the PDFs, the worksheets, and what about the material that has been sent earlier, how it could be made available to them? So the simple answer for that is, of course, we'll keep on trying and keep on sending things to you, class-wise, subject-wise, to you through the broadcast till it is on. And otherwise also, you can get those things available from the website as well, from the portal, by logging in your earlier user ID and password. Now you people have got 2 user IDs and password. The new one was only to appear for online assessment, though we'll be upgrading. पुराना वाला जो भी आपका यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड है वो धीरे धीरे उसको खत्म कर देंगे, और पुराना जितना भी सॉफ्टवेयर, जितने भी एप्लीकेशंस, जितने भी फैसिलिटीज आप पुराने पोर्टल में एक्सेस करते थे, वो सब अपग्रेड होके नए पोर्टल में डाल दी जाएंगी। पर उन सब के लिए थोड़ा सा समय हमें अभी और चाहिए। तो अभी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए आपको यूजर आईडी जो पासवर्ड है उसको भी संभाल के रखिए और पुराने को भी। तो अगर आपको फी पे करना है, अगर आपको असाइनमेंट्स देखने हैं, अगर आपको ये सारी चीजें देखनी है, तो वो सब के लिए पुराना पोर्टल पे पुरानी आईडी से जाएंगे। और एग्जामिनेशन रिलेटेड बच्चे का, क्योंकि अब असेसमेंट तो हो गया UT1, अगर आपको उसका रिजल्ट देखना है तो आप नए पोर्टल पे नए आईडी से जाओगे। बस इतना सा अभी थोड़े दिन के लिए डिफरेंस है। और ये भी कोशिश है कि अनदर within the span of one fortnight 15 days के अंदर हम ये पुराने पोर्टल को पूरा entirely will upgrade ourselves. Sorry?
Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll answer all your queries. My voice is not clear. Better, you need to. Is it okay now? Is it better?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to check your network also. Okay, I'll be more specific now. All right. And now, when it comes to the PTM, now we are also taking online orientation. ये भी अभी 11th standard के लिए we had one orientation a few days earlier in the month of April. I think 8th or 10th April को we had, and today we have big online orientation जो कि webinar की तरह ही अभी हम लोग ने approach किया है. During these many days we have been getting parents feedback also, and I'm
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम ये हमने आज समर कैंप का फॉर्म आज सबमिट किया है, तो हो जाएगा आज?
जी हो जाएगा। अभी हम आपकी क्वेरीज इस प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद अभी सुनते हैं। लेट मी कंप्लीट विद दिस प्रेजेंटेशन, आई विल वर्क ऑन दैट, राइट?
ओके मैम, ओके मैम,
थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके।
और ये अभी हम पेरेंट्स फीडबैक की बात कर रहे थे कि इसमें इतना अच्छे फीडबैक्स हमें पेरेंट्स के आते रहे, एंड फॉर दैट आई रियली थैंक यू ऑल डियर पेरेंट्स कि आपने अपने फीलिंग्स को हम तक एक्सप्रेस किया। And definitely in सब चीजों के लिए we will be thankful to the parents, and for the parents involvement there is a small appeal that I want to make to you people, and that is when it comes to parents involvement, please ensure your child goes for reading every day, even if the school's online classes are running, especially when it comes to classes 9 to 12. Otherwise up to 8th standard the classes are off, so the child should get more reading time. मोबाइल में तो ज्यादा टाइम आजकल स्पेंड हो रहा है बिकॉज सब कुछ ऑनलाइन है, बच्चे को एक्सेस भी, पीडीएफ भी सब कुछ ऑनलाइन मोबाइल से देखना है, लेकिन बुक रीडिंग हैबिट नहीं छूटनी चाहिए। इस चीज के लिए मैं आप सबसे अपील करूंगी। एंड द चाइल्ड ऑल्सो एक्सप्रेसेस हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ ऑन पेपर्स, बिकॉज राइटिंग विल डेफिनेटली improve the expression and the vocabulary also, and definitely language can be worked upon. And do not forget the child has been given holiday homework, small projects also, and keeping in mind कि बच्चे पे उस पे pressure भी ना हो और आराम से वो उसको complete करे. And definitely I'll request you all to keep them learning over summer. They should definitely have little fun, but learning should never stop. And in the meanwhile, I'll also request you all to keep thinking positive, because that keeps you encouraged. And once you are encouraged, you will always be happy and motivated. And once you are happy and motivated, you are more enterprising. Enterprising in the sense, then you will be able to give more. क्योंकि आप इतने शांत होते हो, इतने पॉजिटिव होते हो, तो आपके आइडियाज बहुत अच्छे आते हैं. You can become more imaginative, और ऑप्टिमिज्म पे अच्छे से वर्क कर सकते हो. You are more determined and strong, and this will help you out. And with these things in hand, together we will get through this problem that is happening. So definitely I will also request that we should follow government directives. जैसे मैंने starting में appeal किया, आरोग्य सेतु app, that is from the government of India, and Ayush Kavach for COVID, that has been one of the fighting weapons against COVID from the government of Uttar Pradesh. And appeals have been made from the government also, both of India and of Uttar Pradesh, कि आप आरोग्य सेतु और आयुष कवच को भी इंस्टॉल करिए. आप तक ये इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्ट के जरिए, एसएमएस के जरिए पहुंच चुकी है. आप जिन पेरेंट्स ने नहीं भी इंस्टॉल किया, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, 2 मिनट की चीज है, थोड़ी सी स्पेस लेता है, कीप यू अपग्रेडेड डेफिनेटली. And I'll pray to the Almighty during these days. You keep safe, you stay safe, and during these many days we shall always stay connected. जब भी summer break जैसे up to 8th standard हो गया है, अभी नेक्स्ट सैटरडे से गार्जियन टीचर विजिट करेंगे, बच्चे से भी बात करेंगे, आपसे भी बात करेंगे, so that you can get to know. Please keep your audio muted, sir. I think किसी का audio on है. Please keep muted so that you can hear my voice quite properly. Please keep your audio.
Hello, ma'am.
Please keep your audio muted, sir. I'll take the query session little later. Thank you so much. तो ये जो कनेक्शन है हम लोग एवरी सैटरडे फिर से एस्टैब्लिश करेंगे, और 9 to 12 अभी 31 मई तक क्लासेस चल रहे हैं, उनके लिए भी एवरी सैटरडे हम लोग जरूर मिलेंगे. तो दैट कनेक्शन डेफिनेटली विल बी देयर. I definitely everyone is with this notion that we were born to make this world a better place, and deep inside each and every one of us we know that this is what we are aiming at. We all want this world to be a better place to live, and for this I will definitely want to read out a few parenting tips during the lockdown. You should keep calm and stay connected. ये parents के लिए है, अपने बच्चे के लिए. I'll read a few statements that is there. Help your teen connect with friends through video or phone call to keep stress at bay. ऐसा नहीं कि बिल्कुल नहीं connection रखते हैं, बच्चे कुछ थोड़ा बहुत connectivity आपस में, and just keep a watch also कि क्या बात हो रही है और कैसी हो रही है. पर healthy talks के लिए I think you should be open. Now since schools are closed now for up to 8th standard, or 9 to 12 की 31st May के बाद close होगा, ensure that they have regular habit of studying. Exercise or meditate together daily. Engage them on what they love to do. Make them aware about do's, don'ts, and rules of social distancing. Of course, now children are also watching television, and whatever information is coming to them from the government, from the TV channels, उसको सही ढंग से बच्चों को भी explain करना, that is also a task. तो please उसके लिए थोड़ा समय बच्चों के साथ जरूर दीजिए. With teenagers, especially from classes 6th and above, खास तौर पे talk about something like sports, music, and celebrities, and even with छोटा बच्चाs also you can do that. And create a flexible but consistent daily routine. ये जरूर ध्यान रखिए कि मॉर्निंग में छुट्टी का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप 11 o'clock उठ रहे हैं. That morning schedule should have happened nicely. Timely breakfast, timely lunch, and उससे हमारी जो energy है वो properly channelized हो गया, and we can also feel better. The relationship between a child and her parent is built on little moments, not on the edifices of deeds and duties. हमने अपना कर्म करा, हमने अपना कर्तव्य किया, इससे हम पेरेंट्स नहीं हो जाते. पेरेंट्स बनने के लिए हमें बच्चे के साथ वो क्वालिटी टाइम, छोटे छोटे सुंदर सुंदर मोमेंट्स, फिर से बच्चा बन जाना. जैसे लैया खा रहे हैं तो लैया के दांत, जब हम छोटे छोटे 2 लैया के दांत बना के छोटे छोटे प्रिटेंस करते थे, तो बच्चों के साथ क्यों नहीं हम फिर से वैसे छोटे छोटे मोमेंट्स शेयर करें, और इससे डेफिनेटली बच्चे और आपके बीच में जो एक रिलेशनशिप बनना चाहिए, जो होना चाहिए, वो ये टाइम आई थिंक बेस्ट टाइम है. क्योंकि अगर आप काम पे जा भी रहे हैं बाहर, और अभी या फिर लॉकडाउन 4.0 में आप थोड़ा निकलेंगे भी, तो भी उतना हेक्टिक शेड्यूल नहीं होगा जो कि हम लोग एज ह्यूमंस हम उस भाग दौड़ में अपना सारा दिन निकालते थे. तो थोड़ा समय बच्चों के लिए और ज्यादा दे सकते हैं. थैंक यू पेरेंट्स, थैंक यू फॉर योर कमिटमेंट एंड इन्वॉल्वमेंट टुवर्ड्स योर स्टूडेंट्स एजुकेशन, and I'm really happy to have you here. Thank you so much. And that was all that I had to present for today. And this is where I stop sharing. And I think I have brought in maximum that I
thank you, ma'am.
You in the small part of
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you,
ma'am. अभी फिर से मैं
Thank you, ma'am.
आप इन्होंने अभी चैट बॉक्स में नेम नहीं लिखा है, वो अपना बच्चे का नाम और क्लास